Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to construct an angle of 22.5 degree, that is 22.5 degree. And the basic idea that we are using is to make a 90-degree angle first and then bisect to get it 45-degree angle, and then to further bisect the 45-degree angle to get the 22.5-degree angle. So here we will be drawing the line segment QR first, and then with Q as center and any radius we will draw an arc which is also called as the main arc. So we know we are first of all drawing a 90-degree angle. So with the QR as the line segment that we have and the arc, we are marking the point of intersection as A. Then with A as center and the same radius, we will draw an arc cutting the main arc at a point, and we will mark this point as point B. Next step is with B as center and again with the same radius that we had taken before, we will mark another arc on the main arc that will be called as point C. Now with B and C as centers, that is the 2 points that we have marked on the main arc, and the radius more than that we have taken before for making these arcs, we will cut 2 arcs intersecting each other at point D. So we will be joining in making these 2 arcs from B and C respectively, and mark this point as point D. And now we can see that this angle so formed, that is angle DQR, is equal to 90 degree. So now next step is to bisect this angle, that is angle DQR, as you can see in the figure now. We are going to bisect this angle DQR, that is of 90 degree, to get an angle of 45 degree. So we will mark a point on the main arc which is intersecting this line segment QD as point E. And now with A and E as centers and radius more than that we took for the main arc, we will draw 2 arcs. And the point of intersection of these 2 arcs will be marked as point T, and we will be joining Q and T. And once we join Q and T, we have actually bisected angle DQR, and now we have angle TQR is equal to 45 degree. Now the next step is to bisect angle TQR. For the same, we will mark the point of intersection of QT line segment and the main arc as F, and then with A and F as the centers and the radius obviously more than that taken for the main arc, we will draw 2 arcs intersecting each other at a point, say point G, and we will join these points Q and G and extend the line segment further, say to point S, such that now we have that angle SQR so formed is equal to 22.5 degree. So we have seen in this construction, we had made 90 degree angle first, and then we have bisected it to get 45 degree angle, and then on further bisection of that angle we can get 22.5 degree angle.